The global sugar industry is a colossal operation, with sugarcane and sugar beets serving as the primary crops fueling the sweet powerhouse. At the heart of this massive production are sugar mega factories, facilities designed to transform raw crops into refined sugar on an enormous scale. Let's dive into the detailed journey of how billions of tons of sugar are harvested and processed. The lifeblood of the industry. Sugarcane and sugar beets. Sugarcane and sugar beets are the world's leading sources of sugar. Sugarcane, a tall, tropical grass, thrives in warm climates such as Brazil, India, and Thailand, which dominate global production. Sugar beets, on the other hand, are root crops grown in cooler regions like the United States, Russia, and Europe. Together, they supply billions of tons of raw material annually for sugar production. Harvesting sugarcane, a labor-intensive process. Sugarcane harvesting typically begins during the dry season, ensuring the plant's sugar concentration is at its peak. The process involves a mix of manual labor and advanced machinery. Workers wield machetes to cut the stalks close to the ground, while mechanical harvesters strip away leaves and collect the cane. The harvested cane must be processed quickly within 24-48 hours to prevent the loss of sucrose content. Transported by trucks or trains, the fresh stalks are delivered to sugar factories, where the transformation begins. Harvesting sugar beets. Precision and efficiency. Sugar beet harvesting is equally fascinating. Modern harvesters lift the beets from the soil, remove the leafy tops, and clean them in a single process. The beets are then transported to factories, where they are stored in massive piles awaiting processing. Unlike sugarcane, sugar beets can be stored for weeks without significant sugar loss, offering more flexibility in processing schedules. Processing sugarcane, from stalk to crystal. At the factory, sugarcane undergoes a series of steps. Crushing. The cane is crushed between heavy rollers to extract its juice, which is rich in sucrose. Clarification. The juice is heated and treated with lime to remove impurities, forming a clear syrup. Evaporation. The syrup is boiled to remove excess water, concentrating it into a thick solution. Crystallization. The concentrated syrup is seeded with sugar crystals, initiating the crystallization process. Centrifugation. The mixture is spun at high speeds to separate raw sugar crystals from the remaining molasses. The result is raw sugar, which can be shipped for refining or used as is in various industries. Processing sugar beets. Extracting the sweetness. Sugar beet processing follows a similar path. Washing. Beets are cleaned thoroughly to remove dirt and debris. Slicing. The cleaned beets are sliced into thin strips, called cossets, to maximize surface area. Diffusion. Hot water extracts sugar from the cossets, creating a raw beet juice. Purification. Carbon dioxide and lime are added to the juice, clarifying it and removing impurities. Evaporation and crystallization. The purified juice is concentrated and crystallized, yielding sugar crystals. The leftover beet pulp is often used as animal feed or for bioenergy, ensuring minimal waste. Refining raw sugar. The final touch. Raw sugar from both cane and beets is sent to refineries, where it undergoes additional purification and bleaching to achieve the white, refined sugar seen on supermarket shelves. This process includes melting and filtering. Raw sugar is dissolved and filtered to remove remaining impurities. Carbonation and phosphatation. These chemical processes remove colorants and organic matter. Recrystallization. The purified syrup is crystallized again, resulting in sparkling white sugar. Scaling up. The power of mega factories. Modern sugar factories are marvels of engineering, capable of processing thousands of tons of sugarcane or sugar beets daily. They rely on advanced machinery, automated systems, and sustainable practices to maintain efficiency. Factories often use byproducts like biogas, cane fiber, and molasses for biofuel and animal feed, minimizing waste and enhancing sustainability. Global impact and significance. Sugar mega factories play a pivotal role in feeding the world's insatiable demand for sugar, producing billions of tons annually. This sweet commodity is a staple ingredient in countless products, from baked goods to beverages, and fuels major economies worldwide. In regions like Brazil, India, and the U.S., sugar production is not only an economic cornerstone but also a cultural one. For millions of workers, from farmers to factory technicians, The industry provides livelihoods and sustains entire communities. The future of sugar production. As the world grapples with climate change and sustainability challenges, the sugar industry is evolving. Mega factories are adopting greener technologies, such as water recycling systems, solar power, and carbon-neutral operations. Innovations in crop genetics also promise higher yields with lower environmental impact. Conclusion: a sweet symphony. The journey from sugarcane and sugar beets to refined sugar is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Behind every spoonful of sugar lies a world of complex processes, tireless effort, and technological marvels. These sugar mega factories are not just industrial giants, they are the lifeblood of a global industry that sweetens our lives in countless ways. Stay tuned for more stories that uncover the intricate processes behind the products we use every day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.